In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook ads for your services business step by step. Whether you offer cleaning, consulting, repair, coaching, or any other service, Facebook ads can help you reach more potential customers. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager with your Facebook account. Make sure your Facebook business page and ad account are already set up. Next, click Create to start a new campaign. Choose an objective that matches your goal, such as leads, traffic, sales, or engagement. Enter your campaign name, set your daily or lifetime budget, and continue to the audience section. Select the location where you provide your services, then choose the age, gender, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. After that, create your ad by uploading a high-quality image or video that highlights your service. Write a clear headline, a short description, and add a strong call to action such as book now, get quote, call now, or learn more. Review your campaign, confirm your payment method, and click Publish. Once your ad is approved, monitor its performance in Ads Manager and make changes to improve your results. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.